Hi guys, Aris.
Hello, I'm Ari.
We have something different today. ClonerAlliance UHD Pro.
Please say where this whole thing started from.
Okay, we have a Nintendo Switch.
Yeah.
Who doesn't have any?
Yeah.
And we recently bought Mario Kart. And we wanted to show to you the fun that we have with our cats.
With our cat, with the Mario Kart car.
Yeah. And there's no way to capture the video from the Nintendo Switch.
Because of the personal, how is it called? The personal data?
I don't know. I'm not sure. But anyway, there's no way
to capture the monitor.
Using the Nintendo Switch capabilities to capture the video. And out of a sudden, I don't know how this happens, I got an email from ClonerAlliance UHD, ClonerAlliance, and they told me that, hey, we have a product that we want you to test. And I say, yeah, of course.
Oh, you didn't contacted them?
No.
They did?
They did.
Oh my God.
So, this is a capture card, a capture device actually. It's a standalone device. It is not affordable. It is quite expensive, $240, but it supports resolutions up to 4K and 30 FPS.
Here is in short the
some short specifications, 4K, 30 FPS. In 1080p, it goes up to 60 Hz. So if you have a monitor with higher refresh rates, there might be a problem there. Anyway, it is very easy, since this is a standalone device, it's very easy to set it up.
It's just this small.
You just have to put it in the middle. And let me explain. I have here a gaming laptop. Okay, this cable goes to the HDMI in port of the device. There's another HDMI out port which goes to the monitor. So, in essence, this device sits in the middle between the laptop and the monitor. Also, it has a USB 3 port where we connected an external drive.
So the data recorded will be saved here?
Yeah, there's no storage into the device. You have to connect an external storage device, either a USB flash drive or an external SSD or HDD. And there's also another mini USB to connect this device with a PC and use it through the bundled software or OBS. But it is much simpler when you pay so much money to get the standalone version. I believe that you will use it as standalone because, okay, in my laptop I can always use OBS and capture some gaming or anything I want, but the devices like Nintendo Switch and Nvidia Shield, if I want to capture some Netflix movies for educational purposes, and some other stuff, video cameras, whatever, you can use everything.
PlayStation, Xbox,
just
whatever.
Put this in between, and whatever goes through here, the signal will be captured on this drive.
Note, you can also insert a microphone.
So, at the front of the device, we see line in, line out, and mic. Through the mic, you can connect a microphone and have some comments about what you are capturing at the moment. Some buttons, H.265 and H.264 codec, snapshot, or what is this? Rec. Rec and stop. If you don't want to use the provided
if you're too close with it, like you are right now.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, or if you lose the control.
The control is small, it's easy to use it.
And it has everything on it.
Now we have the device connected. Okay, we press display on the device actually. The format that we have chosen, H.265, high bitrate, no microphone. The HDMI in, the resolution that goes in, we have no schedule or loop recording, and disk usage is unknown right now. Okay, let's take a look at the menu. Okay, here. Record settings. You can select, it has two codecs. The best one is 265, of course. Bitrate. If you don't have enough capacity on the storage device, you can go to the low. I have it on high. Always display rec, file size, different file sizes here. The biggest one is 16 gigabytes and 3 hours period. The file systems that it supports, all popular file systems, including exFAT, which is the best since it is both compatible with Mac and Windows systems. Time watermark off, okay, and loop recording. Let's go and see the other settings. Schedule settings here. I have it on off, okay. System settings. Language, English. Let's take a look at the other languages. Okay, I don't understand them. English. No many languages, fortunately. Video playback. Here you can see, you can watch the videos that you have already captured. I have captured actually a video from Forza. Let's take a look. It's very easy to use it. It's very, very easy. It is completely idiot-proof. This is the video that I captured from Forza Horizon 5. If you want now to capture something, you just press the red button here, rec and starting, and the disk usage here, and the recorded time. That is all.
Mm-hmm. And you can take a screenshot as well?
Yeah, that is the only thing you have to do to record something, to capture something. It is very, very easy. Mm-hmm. If I want, you see the rec here. Now, if I want to stop it,
and
saving.
There is a LED strip here, and
yes, you can take a
here.
look at the LEDs.
It changes according to
the mode.
The mode, yeah.
Did you watch? Did you notice the colors?
Yeah, I did. When you press stop, it changed from green to blue, and then again to green.
Yeah.
In a matter of seconds. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, $240. It's quite expensive, yeah, I know, but it's standalone. It does a good job. Mm-hmm. We will give it some extended tryouts.
I think we're going to be using it for, a daily use. If I think
Mario Kart.
Yeah.
To scare the cats.
The cats. We don't scare them. We play with them. Come on.
So you will see some videos with our cats and trying to catch the Mario Karts.
Yeah.
Let's see how this will go.
I spray the Mario Kart with catnip.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's
okay.
really, really, really fun.
Yeah, this will be crazy. There's other devices also from ClonerAlliance. You can take a look at their site, and there's also a comparison table between all the devices that they have, so you can choose.
There are cheaper models as well,
yeah,
right?
More affordable, I would say. So you can choose whatever fits best your needs and your pocket, of course. Thank you very much for
watching
so far.
Yeah.
And if you have any questions, leave them on the comment section.
Or ask the company.
Huh?
Or ask the company.
Yeah, or ask them directly. Like, comment, and subscribe. And we also have a Patreon page if you want to support us. Until the next video. Bye-bye.